Hello and welcome to another update video about PayPal. So this is the PayPal video we covered a few weeks ago. So 3 weeks ago I talked about PayPal already on this channel. We were already on this move here, in this move to the upside, and we were about to max out the what a wave 4 correction could do to the upside. I did highlight at the time that I could not, with a good feeling, confirm that price had already bottomed, because it still looked very corrective and the wave count still suggested another low. So we also never broke out of this descending trend line. So let's take a look at the chart now, where we are. We can see that price reacted to the trend line, to our trend line here, this kind of descending wedge or price channel, you could actually argue. And it seems like it's just following our wave count for now. So it seems like the wave 4 indeed topped here on the 28th of July, 1st of August, something like that. Here, let's just zoom in. We can see the local top here. There was a brief fake out basically out of this trend line. However, it reacted to the golden ratio, the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level at $76, which is sort of the maximum really that I would allow for a wave 4 in a diagonal structure to the downside, because I see the move down that is unfolding here in this wave 5 as an ending diagonal. We've got overlapping price action between wave 1 and wave 4, so it has to be a diagonal in this case. And it seems like the earnings triggered here this last move down. And yeah, what can I say? So far, the scenario we discussed 3 weeks ago is playing out. We seem to be getting this last wave down. It's quite aggressive, this move down. I mean, it dropped quite quickly from $76 and it's now at 62 again. I would expect it to go down a little lower, and I would pay attention to the trend line down here. There is some micro support. The next micro support or structural support is down here at around about $59.30, but below that level we've got the descending trend line here as relevant support, so I would pay attention to that. There's not really any kind of micro structure I can really make out here at the moment. However, what I can tell you is that typically what we would expect for such a fifth wave in an ending diagonal, that we're dealing with an ABC structure. Yeah, basically what we had here in the third wave as well, A, B, C, because we're dealing with a diagonal structure. And typically an A wave is quite impulsive, or it can be at least. A wave, B wave, C wave. So maybe next week or so, I guess after a sell-off like that, we should see a little bit of a relief rally or small corrective rally, which could be the B wave. What I will do now, I will delete this previous resistance area. Price did react to it, it did its job. So what we're doing now, we are going to establish what would be resistance for the B wave. Now, I cannot really confirm that to you at this stage, because so far we haven't got any low in place, but I can calculate it based on what we've got. And then we just need to be aware that next week, if price drops any lower, it might have to be adjusted. But I don't know how Monday will start. Maybe we get a small gap to the upside after such a sell-off. So if we do that, then price should not really go above 73.40, because that's the 78.6 Fib level and would typically be too strong for a B wave. So I can very much imagine a B wave rally before we come down and complete this overall correction, and it should go below $59 eventually. Now you can see here on the daily chart, price is nearly oversold. I mean, this is now getting interesting also price-wise, I think, because we're getting really towards the end of this overall correction. That would be great. However, we need to understand that $49 is really the key bullish support, the long-term support. Below that level, I would think that the long-term uptrend is breaking. Yeah, so that would be quite a bearish level, but if you know about this level, then we've got a key support. First of all, the descending trend line, as well as the 78.6 retracement at basically $49. Yeah, that's my update about PayPal. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.